Andrew and Carly Beckham farm at Ravenshoe in the Herbert River catchment. As Andrew will explain, they've used the Reef Rescue program to improve their nutrient management.
Yeah, we're up near Ravenshoe here, near the wind towers, and we milk about 180 cows. We've got about 280 acres on this block, and it's all basically pasture. We don't feed much grain, about 3 kilos a day, that's about it. So we've got dry blocks down the Malin, another area. Yeah, this is a pontoon and pump effluent system we've put in. We've run power to the pond here and put the pump in and pontoon and run a poly pipe up to our pivot and put 5 effluent sprinklers on the pivot, and we can pump our effluent on 50 acres now. So yeah, this is the water pumping from the effluent pond. We've slung a poly along top of the irrigation line, and we've got 5 effluent sprinklers, 1 on each band, and we just run one at a time. And I've just got the the pivot walking at the moment, so that's just going to keep walking around, and we're just going to spread effluent on the ryegrass at that span at the moment.
Oh, we've seen through using the dairy sat and historically that the farmers just haven't been reusing the nutrients that they produce on farm. So they've been spreading it over a small area, and they've been putting on synthetic fertiliser. Now with the Beckham's project, they've put in a system where they're reusing this nutrient, and they're spreading it over a vast area, and they've reduced their impact on the environment, or the risk of impact, and also their fertiliser bill.
I suppose before, you know, it was all going onto a small area up on the ridge a bit, and if you got heavy rain or something, you know, the pond can fill up if the contractor's a bit late, and everything, you know, starts to go downhill, I guess. So putting it over a large area really keeps it all on farm. I really didn't get motivated with it or really look into doing a system like this until we talked about getting a reef grant, and then it sort of all rolled on from there. So no, I don't think I would have done it otherwise. This cost about $23,000 all up, and we got a $10,000 grant, so that was excellent. Yeah, so almost half. So yeah. I think it's pretty important this reef grants, because it gets people motivated, and a bit less money in dairying now. So you know, if you can get a bit of a grant to help you out, you know, you'll do those jobs as laneways and crossings and effluent, and you know, it's pretty important, I think. So.